Yes. Hey guys, just a quick one here. Recently, the spotlights on my four-wheel drive stopped working, my old Toyota Hilux. They were kind of intermittent for a little while. You'd flick them on and then you'd turn them off when another car was going past, and then you go to flick them back on and they wouldn't come on. So there's a bit of an issue there with them. And then eventually they just stopped working altogether. So I'm just going through what I'm doing today. I'll just let you know I am not an auto electrician. You know, maybe you're happy to try and fault find yourself and have a crack at fixing it. But yeah, you might want to seek professional help if you think you need it. But anyway, I'm just having a go at this myself. So I've just disconnected the spotlights to begin with and just started working my way back along the wiring harness. And lo and behold, I found a burnt out pin. So I don't know if, hang on, I'll try and get this to focus, or I'll show you just over here. So there you go, you can see the pin on that connection has been burnt out. That's the section there, it's got the split there that goes to either one of the spotties. And there's multiple reasons that little pin could get burnt out. Could be loose or poor connection, like if the pin wasn't making solid contact, it could cause arcing or resistance heating, which could generate excessive heat and burn out the pin. This is one of the most common reasons, and it can happen from wear and tear, corrosion, or even just like an improperly seated pin. It could be from an overcurrent or overload. Like I said before, it could be corrosion or oxidization. That could definitely do that, even cheap or low quality connectors. So they're probably a few of the common reasons why that pin might burn out. So what I'm going to do is I've been going through my bits and pieces over here, and it turns out I do have a spare section of that wiring harness, so I'm going to replace that section with a new one. And I've got a spare plug for the other side of the pin, so I'll cut that other section off and just replace that with that new one and see how that goes, see if that does the job. Might have just been that connection, hopefully. All right, we've got, hey buddy, how you going, mate? Come to check on what's going on. All right, so I've just connected that new plug there. So what I'll do is I'll just connect this one up and do a quick test and see if it works. Fingers crossed, that was the problem. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of the other videos I've done on my rig as well. No. Unfortunately, it seems like it must be a bit more than that connection, so I'll have to dive and dig a bit deeper. Bugger. Yes. I forgot when I was mucking around before, I pulled the fuse out to check the fuse and I left it out. So that did the job. Awesome. So there you have it, guys. Pretty easy fix in the end. So hopefully that gives you some idea if you're having trouble with your spotties. Maybe that's one solution. Just go back through your wiring harness, check all your connections. Other issues you might be having maybe to do with your fuse, maybe relay. But anyway, I'd go through, check all your connections and see how you go. So if you are having troubles with your spotlights, hopefully that helps you out, gives you a couple of ideas to things you can look for. Anyway, guys, catch you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.